All right, hello, Miss Erica here at Monaco Public Library, and I'm talking a little bit about our summer math program that we have going on in addition to the summer reading program this year. So in order to participate in the summer math program, you would get one of these packets from us here at the library. They're located behind the front desk, and the math packets are in 3 age ranges. There's pre-K, K through 2, and 3 through 5. And to complete the packet, there is a bingo sheet. There's the instructions and a bingo sheet in each packet, and each one of these bingo squares has an activity that goes along with it within the packet. So this activity is called How Many, and that square is right there. So when you complete this activity, you would mark off this square, and when you get a bingo, you can bring it to the front desk for a prize. So I thought something that I could do to help families participate in the summer math program this year was to create a backpack, the Kids Summer Math Backpack, that has some materials inside that will help you complete the activities. So I will take it apart and show you some of the pieces that are inside. This will be available for checkout in the kids' room. Right next to, there's some tables that are pushed against the windows back in the kids' room that have passive math programs on it that will also go along with some of these activities. So this backpack will be available for checkout back by the math tables in the kids' room. So inside the summer math backpack, we've got some things. Here's the inventory sheet of all the supplies inside. And then some things to help with those different activities. So for example, one of the activities uses dice. So we've got some dice. I'll lay them out over here. Playing cards. There's an activity where you have to fill a cup with pom-poms, so there's a couple cups. This jar has some pom-poms. There's an activity that requires buttons, so we've got those in there. And then there's also an activity where you have to fill a jar, so we've got the jar right there conveniently for you. These window chalk markers and painter's tape. This one's totally a risky one for parents because it involves putting tape on your window and chalking different shapes with the window paint. So I guess you could do that on a dry erase board or whatever surface you'd like. But everything's right there conveniently located for you to be able to do that. There's graph paper. Some of the older kids' activities require graph paper. Sidewalk chalk. I think the 2 younger packets have some sidewalk chalk activities. There's index cards. I think making your own note card or number cards is one of the activities. And then some number cards that we made on staff, or our staff made for you to use too, nicely laminated, ready to use. There's an activity where I think you have to draw like a target and shoot beanbags. So we've got beanbags. That might be what the chalk's also for. And then there's one where you have big number cards that our staff made as well that look like this. These big laminated number cards, and then you throw or roll wiffle balls at them. So we've got some wiffle balls in here. And then there is a clipboard that has the actual math packets attached to it. So if you check this out and bring it home, you can take the math packet and use it to complete your activities, and then you get to keep it to bring back to the front desk. There's also a My Shape book template you can use for one of the activities. And then there are a number of different activities throughout the packets that require worksheets. So we've included them laminated with some dry erase markers so that you can just use the dry erase markers and do the activities, and then you're not wasting a bunch of paper, and other people can check this out and use it as well. So we've got a ring of those dry erase activities sheets for each grade level, and then it does say which activity it goes along with on the back here. One of the activities requires a square template, so that's in there, and then a couple other things. On the side here, we've got some scissors, a pencil, and the dry erase markers. And then on this side, one of the activities requires tangrams, so we've got the little pocket full of tangrams there for you too. So that's the summer math backpack. And like I said again, you can get the packets from the front desk or the packets are also going to be located in the backpack. And then this is just some supplies to help you with the activities. Some of these don't require extra supplies, like doing a shape hunt at home in your house. So those things you can just do on your own. So other than the supplies listed here are provided here, I also, like I said, have some passive activities back in the kids' room. I think there's one where you do symmetry art, making the cardboard binoculars. So I'll have the stuff for those activities in the kids' room as well. So hopefully this stuff will make it easier for you guys to be able to participate in the math program and earn prizes. So that's all I've got. If you have any questions about the math backpack, feel free to ask me or any other staff members.